Well, I've decided to do the floor before it gets too cold. I'm only doing the front half, and basically I'm just doing it to seal the concrete. I've cleaned this concrete, I think 6 times now between using muriatic acid, and the last step I did was an etch. I think it was a Behr concrete etch before you use their product, which is right here. It's more like a paint stain. So it's sitting right here. I use slate gray. So far it's working pretty good, because as you can see over here, I'm doing the block, and then I'm going to do the floor, the whole color. The idea was that I'm going to have drywall, probably green board, or maybe womanized plywood. I haven't decided yet on the first 4 feet. Probably end up doing probably womanized plywood. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. I know I'm going to do womanized plywood over there. Maybe I'll do the same thing here. And then I'm going to do that corrugated metal on the lower 4 feet, and then a trim, and then drywall from there up. So I'm not sure how I want to do it. I haven't decided. I don't know. We'll see. Probably green board, because I'm going to put drywall, or I'm going to insulate behind it, but keep going back and forth on the way I want to do it. I need to run the electrical and paint and do all the trim, get the siding up on the outside still. At least the trim on the outside is all done. And I'm ready to start siding. My wife started painting it. So, but anyway, so this is the floor. You can see the condition of the floor is actually looking pretty good right now. Like I said, it was much worse. I mean, that's brand new concrete back there. I mean, it's not even a year old yet, this concrete. This is from 1986. So I brought it back pretty good. And that same concrete, that concrete up there isn't very old. This garage floor was, I mean, that's pretty old. And it sure does look small in here when you're considering that back section is 24 feet deep. This seems teeny. And that's 24 by 22. And everything is in there right now, and I still have plenty of room. And it's not even organized at all, it's just stacked up everywhere. So, well, next is gonna be the floor. I'm gonna start rolling it out. I gotta trim along the edge here still. I'm gonna finish that up, and then I'm gonna roll out the floor. Now you can see where the trim's painted. There's gonna be 2 different colors. There's gonna be a darker gray siding up there and a lighter gray down here, and that's more of gonna be like a cedar shake style siding, as well as on the dormer up there. All right, let me get to rolling it out, and when I get finished, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, 24 hours later, the floor is dry. I ended up using 2 gallons, and I think, honestly, I don't know if you can see it in the video or not, I think I need to do it again. But, I don't know. If you can see, maybe you can see back in here a little bit, you can see some little light areas. I don't know. We'll see. So far I'm happy with it. It basically covered all the stains and odd marks and things like that in the floor. And considering this floor is, 33 years old. Definitely cleaned it up. So we'll see. Maybe I'll do another coat. Maybe I'll buy another 2 gallons and do it again. I haven't decided. Obviously, if I do it, I should do it now so it doesn't get dirty. But I am going to cover this, I think. So I don't know if it's even worth it. If you were using this as your final floor, and if I was to leave this just like this and not touch it, I would say buy another 2 gallons, buy a 5-gallon bucket, a Home Depot bucket, or a 2-gallon bucket, maybe a little bigger than that, to dump them both in one bucket, mix it all together, and then do it again. And I know the second time as you go over top of this, it won't soak as much. So, yeah. And I could always do it again later. I could power wash it off. See how this wears through the winter, I think, and then do it next year again. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. I think for what it is, this will work just fine. So, alright, thanks for watching.